Okay, hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about using soft slabs, and then I'm going to show you how to make a twisted vase using a soft slab. So let's get started. Soft slabs are really great to use when you want to make something that is curved or the edges have a bit more of a softness to them. The benefits of working with soft slabs are you can easily go from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions by doing a series of folds to create a 3-dimensional form. You would have to do some beveling of these edges and scoring, of course, before you attach them together. It is a very handy hand building technique for being able to take a template, trace it onto your slab just very lightly with your needle tool, cut it out with either your fettling knife or your X-Acto blade, and then through a series of folds create a 3-dimensional form. Then you could continue to flip this and trace it and add a bottom. And then if you wanted to, you could proceed to cut this and turn it into a lidded jar or add more to it with slabs or coils to create a larger form. But the great thing with the soft slabs is you have that flexibility and moisture still present in the clay, so you can make folds to go easily from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions. Hard slabs are great, but they are better suited for architectural or hard-edged geometric forms. So for instance, this was built with hard slabs. Each side was individually cut out, beveled, scored and slipped, and put back together so I could get these nice hard edges and have a nice geometric box. If I went to bend a hard slab, this is a hard slab piece of clay, you'll see that it wants to break or crack. So hard slabs, you don't have a lot of flexibility left in the form, so they're really great for putting individual pieces together to create very geometric forms. With a soft slab, you still have a lot of moisture and flexibility, so you can shape your forms without them wanting to break. So they'll bend instead of breaking.